G'day viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today the bonnet's up on the big girl and we're going to be installing these Supernovas Mark 3 Rogue spotties. The quality of these packaging is pretty good. Comes with its own little case, all presented very nicely. Have a look at them. Daylight running lights. Colour coded. Have a look at this bracket. Look at how thick it is. It's going to look pretty good up there on each side of the run bar. Comes with the wiring loom, switches, fuses, and a bit of a quick connect installation guide. So I'll try and show as much as I can and see what trouble we can get ourselves into. Phase 1 complete, you could say. Got the set out done. Taking apart one of the lights here just to get the bracket off, get it all centered there on the bar, get ready to prep some holes for the bolts, and then pop it all back together. So first crack so far, so good. See you soon. Straight through, nice and easy. Best part of all, no broken drill bits. Oh, another little accomplishment. Managed to get them on. They're not nipped up yet, but they're just sitting there nicely. Still get to the wiring and everything at the back. Plug and play system here. We'll get the cover off and see what we can do here. And next phase is on us. How good do these look? Supernova Rogue Mark 3, and they're going to look pretty good. What an afternoon. We've got her going. They're all hooked on. The relay switch is just in there. All systems go. Look at these little lights. Look at them. Looking pretty good. Got these covers. That's pretty sharp. We'll give them a test tonight and probably have to do some adjustments with it, but that's how she goes. Supernova Rogue. What we have discovered this afternoon is I need 2 batteries. While we're setting it all up, got enough charge in the batteries here to test it. We couldn't work out what was happening. Look at that. Look how bright it is during the day. Rogue Mark 3 8.5 driving lights by Supernova. zero in these lights. Look at them with the covers on. Boom! Look at that difference. Normal high beams, supernova. Look at the width. Plenty of spots there, you can pick up the wildlife. Plenty of straight beam to pick up those signs off in the distance. Outstanding. You've got to be happy with these. Well, it's morning. We've been down to the shops, got ourselves some supercharged batteries here to replace the old ones, so we'll start swapping them out. We should have more than enough power to feed the old rumba there and the lights, and this one's cooked too, so we'll be swapping both of them out, and let's see how we go, eh? Well, the batteries are in. Just before we put the cover on and make sure everything's hunky-dory, we'll turn her over. Success. Worked out quite well, really. Never done it before, so there she goes. Plenty of power now to run these bad boys. An Old Faithful there. So we'll put this back together. Stay tuned for a couple more episodes coming up. We head to the high country, a bit of hut maintenance. So see you then.